guys, and welcome to the Batch Lady. I have been asked lots for side dishes lately, what we can do with different sides and different sides of vegetables. So I want to show you a very special one today that we love as a family. Okay, so on the Batch Lady channel, I show you how to make fast, simple, homemade meals that you can make in advance, put in your freezer so that you are always organised and have ready-made homemade family meals that you can pull out the freezer and use at any time. So today we are talking about green beans, okay? This isn't the best delight of a vegetable, I think. If it's, especially if it's just boiled, you know, they're not the nicest thing to eat. Children, adults alike don't really like them. I buy lots of them and put them in lots of food, and I do them on as a side dish in a really yummy way, and I'm going to show you how. So I just take my bag of however many you need, so I would say about a quarter of a bag for 4 people, okay, and pour it into a microwavable tub. Because they are frozen, they're already got quite a lot of water content in them. I don't need to put anything in them, and I'm going to put them in the microwave until they are just cooked and no more. Okay, so they only took 4 minutes, so that was for a quarter of a bag, okay? And if you were having people over, you could cook these like this and then just leave them to the side and deal with them later. Now you'll get a little bit of water that comes off them, so just drain that out. And you just want a frying pan, and in your frying pan you just want to put some olive oil. And I would salt these beans, so a pinch of salt as well in the olive oil. And then I always use crushed chilies or chili flakes, okay? And if you just put the oil on the heat, add the chili flakes, wait till it is piping hot, and then pour your green beans in. And you are going to just keep giving them a little shift around, as you'll see me do in a minute, just to stop them from burning, and they're going to go beautiful and crisp and lovely, really just lovely and tasty. So put your chili flakes into the hot oil, like so, and then add your green beans. I'd give them a couple of minutes and then just keep tossing them. So there we have it, guys, perfect chili green beans. They're salty, they're chilly, they've got a lovely caramelized flavour about them. Absolutely gorgeous. Why not give it a go as a perfect side?